If you're looking for a simple and effective way to boost your site's trust and conversions, adding Proof's social proof notifications is one of the best strategies you can use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up Proof's social proof notifications on your website step by step. You can easily integrate it into your site, and I'll walk you through the entire process in under 5 minutes, even if you've never used it before. Before we dive in, I want to mention that you can try Proof completely free right now by using the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses to help you get started and see real results quickly. Now, if you're wondering why social proof is so powerful, it's because people trust the actions of others. When visitors see that other people are engaging with your site, making purchases, or signing up, it builds immediate trust. Proof's notifications make this visible to your site visitors in real time, and when you set it up right, it can dramatically increase your conversions. The first thing you need to do is sign up for Proof. Go to their website and create your account. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard where all your settings are located. Now let's create your first notification. Click on the Create Campaign button and you'll be prompted to choose a type of notification. You'll have options like purchase notifications, lead notifications, or custom notifications. Let's go with the default purchase notifications for this example. These are notifications that show when someone buys your product or signs up on your website. Next, you'll need to customize your notification. Choose the style that fits your website's design and your brand's aesthetic. You can select from different layouts, colors, and messaging options. Make sure to personalize the message to highlight the benefit of the action happening. For example, John just bought this product. Is great for building trust. You can also adjust the notification's timing, deciding whether you want it to appear instantly or after a delay. Once your notification looks good, it's time to integrate it with your website. Proof makes this really easy. You'll find a code snippet in your Proof dashboard, copy the code, and then paste it into the header or body of your site's HTML, depending on where you want the notifications to show. If you're using a site builder like WordPress, there are simple plugins you can install, and you won't have to deal with code at all. Just connect Proof through the plugin and you're all set. Now that you've integrated the notifications, it's time to test. You can preview the notifications in your Proof dashboard to make sure they're showing up correctly. It's important to check how they look across different devices to ensure your audience gets the best experience. What's great about Proof is that they allow you to track the effectiveness of your notifications. You can see in real time how many people are viewing the notifications, engaging with them, and even making purchases as a result. The more you test and tweak, the better the performance you'll see over time. Finally, one of the best things about Proof is its versatility. You can create multiple campaigns to display different types of notifications depending on the page, the actions of the user, or your specific goals. For example, on your checkout page, you can show urgency notifications like, hurry, 5 people are looking at this item right now. To wrap up, adding Proof's social proof notifications to your site is a quick and effective way to increase your conversions. The setup process is simple, and once it's running, it works on autopilot. Remember, you can get started for free by clicking the link below and enjoy an exclusive extended free trial so you can see the impact of social proof for yourself. With Proof, you'll be able to turn trust into tangible sales. So get started now and start seeing results fast.